Make money audit. Mark Tilbury, 8.5 million subscribers. Laziest way to make money with AI. This one gets a D. His own numbers, $1 for every 1,000 views. That's 1 million views to make $1,000. 2 minutes later, he tells you the competition is very high. 7 methods in the video, not $1 is his own money on the screen. Let's listen in.
What's the laziest way for beginners to make money online using AI? That is one of the most common questions I get asked. And honestly, who doesn't want to make good money with minimal effort or while having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world? I've made a video like this before, but since then, AI has changed everything because it can now do 90% of the work for you. So as a millionaire businessman, I'm going to use my...
All right, let's get back into the audit. So let's do the math here. $1 per 1,000 views. Total cost $15 a month for the software that he tells you on the first one, doing clips, the clipping math. That's right. So you need 15,000 views a month just to cover the software. He rates the competition is very high himself. Then method one, the first thing beginners see, you're not going to get any money on that one. The second one, method four, and there is auto-DS. He says on camera they paid for a segment. The affiliate link is in the description at $1. So the method isn't ranking, and it's an ad with a number next to it. Same description. I mean, build your store. That's another one of his affiliate. I get it. So, but auto-DS, you're doing drop shipping, you're going to get killed in the money it's going to cost for the advertisement. Okay, so let's take a look and see what else we got on this one. On the notes here. Okay, he builds an app live and says nobody would pay for it. Yeah, it's nothing goes in the right. It's also on the list. And the AI does 90%, 75%, 80% column. Those numbers just measured. They're not made up. Okay. We all know that AI can build just about anything out there that you guys want. Anything it can. And there's no doubt there. Drop shipping, whatever, it can do it. Voice agents, it's all there. But like Mark and all the other ones, they're giving you saturated ideas, saturated markets with the hopes and dreams that you'll make 300 days like his thumbnail says. You're not gonna do it. It's not happening. Let's see. Five live workshop links in the description. So obviously that's where he's making his money. That's no brainer. We all get that. That's what this video is for. It's basically just to drive you to his workshops. Well, we get that. Duh. Everybody does it. What I'm calling this one out is because of what he's trying to tell you to do. It is feasible. That's why it gets a D. Realistic wise, it should get an F. You're never going to make the numbers that he's telling you in the beginning. You're going to have to grind. You're going to have to put in a lot of effort. And here's the biggest thing, a lot of out-of-pocket expense before you start seeing any money return. Okay. So let me ask you guys this, and I've asked several times, but still no one's made any comments. If you've tried clip method, put your real numbers in the comments. How many views? How much did you actually get paid? How long did it take? Please just comment. I'm curious to see. I'm not going to do it myself. I use Opus clips for my short forms on my other channels, but I don't see, again, I've watched and followed Mark for a long time, and most of his ideas, again, they're just unrealistic time frames. And all it does, like everything else, everybody else who's a guru out there, it drives you to their links to help them make money, to book a call, to get them to help you do some work. All that's just money that expense and goes to them with no guarantees to you. None of them can guarantee anything, but they should be more realistic in their expectations than telling you guys that. And so you guys don't follow the clickbait that just jump on board because Mark says it's a good idea. Let me throw money at it. You're going to lose every time. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Please comment. I'm curious to see what you guys have done. Talk to you later.